If you want to start investing in stocks without dealing with confusing trading platforms, then Robinhood might be one of the easiest investing apps to learn in 2026, because this platform was built to make investing simple for everyday people. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Robinhood as an investor, what features are actually useful, and whether this platform is still worth using in 2026. So first, Robinhood is basically an online investing platform where you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies directly from your phone or computer. One reason the app became so popular is because the interface is extremely simple compared to traditional broker websites that often feel complicated and outdated. When you first create an account, Robinhood will guide you through verifying your identity and linking your bank account so you can deposit money into your investing account. Once your account is funded, the easiest way to start is by using the search bar to look up a stock like Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, or any company you want to invest in. When you open a stock page, you'll see the price chart, company information, analyst ratings, recent news, and buying options. One of the best features on Robinhood is fractional shares, because this lets you invest small amounts of money into expensive stocks without needing to buy a full share. For example, instead of spending hundreds of dollars on one stock, you can invest just $5 or $10 if you want. Another really useful feature is recurring investments, because you can automatically invest money every week or month into stocks or ETFs, which is great for long-term investors. Robinhood also offers watch lists, retirement accounts, instant deposits, cash management features, and a premium membership called Robinhood Gold that gives access to additional research tools and higher interest rates on uninvested cash. According to many online reviews, users really like how fast and beginner-friendly the platform feels. A lot of people say Robinhood helped them start investing for the first time because the app removes much of the complexity that scares beginners away. The mobile experience especially gets a lot of praise because it feels modern, smooth, and easy to navigate. But there are definitely some downsides too. Advanced investors often complain that Robinhood lacks deep research tools and advanced charting features that professional traders may need. Some users also believe the app design can encourage risky short-term trading because it feels almost too simple and addictive at times. And of course, Robinhood still receives criticism because of the GameStop trading controversy back in 2021, and some investors still do not fully trust the platform because of that event. Personally, I think Robinhood is one of the best investing platforms for beginners and casual investors in 2026 because it makes investing simple, accessible, and less intimidating. It may not replace advanced brokerage platforms for professional traders, but for most people who want an easy way to invest in stocks and ETFs, Robinhood does a really good job. If you want to try Robinhood for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this tutorial helped you understand how to use Robinhood as an investor, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite investing app in 2026.